Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Urdu Speaking Lesson. I am Avna Hashmi. Let's begin with our today's lesson. We are going to learn some more words. So let's see. Mom. In English we say mom. In Urdu, Ammi. Ammi. In English we say dad. Dad. And in Urdu, Abu. Abu. In English we say brother. And in Urdu, Bhai. Bhai. In English we say sister. And in Urdu, Behen. Behen. Let's say these words one more time. Mom, Ammi. Dad, Abu. Brother, Bhai. Sister, Behen. Repeat many times for practice. Alright, so we say when we are pointing at something, in English we say this. In Urdu we say ye. Ye. Then we point at something and say that. That. And in Urdu we say wo. Wo. This. Ye. That. Wo. Repeat many times for practice. Alright. Or we want to show our gratitude. We say thank you. Thank you. In Urdu we say shukriya. Shukriya. Thank you. Shukriya. Repeat many times for practice. Okay, so we ask and say. We say, how are you in English? And in Urdu we say, Aapka kya haal hai? Aapka kya haal hai? How are you? Aapka kya haal hai? How are you? Aapka kya haal hai? In reply of this question, we usually say, I am fine, thank you. I am fine, thank you. Right? And in Urdu we say, मैं ठीक हूँ, शुक्रिया. मैं ठीक हूँ, शुक्रिया. Now let's repeat these sentences one more time. How are you? आपका क्या हाल है? I am fine, thank you. मैं ठीक हूँ, शुक्रिया. Repeat many times for practice. Alright, so I hope that you have understood the words very nicely. And next time when somebody is going to say mom, so you would know it's Ammi. Or dad, it is Abu. Brother is Bhai. Sister is Behen. And we point at something and say this. In Urdu, ye. Then we say that. And in Urdu, wo. We say thank you in English. And in Urdu we say shukriya. Alright, now this is the end of our lesson. Watch the video and practice many times. I will see you in next lesson. Till then, take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.